Okay.
What?
It's starting.
Oh, it started?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey, this is the new and improved B Squared, and I got a big announcement for you. You see what I'm doing here? Springtime has sprung, and the grass is starting to grow, and it's time for the 2009 mini mowing contest. And this year, a little bit different. What you're going to guess is the first date that I mow the grass in 2009. So just going to be a short contest. Prizes for, I hope, the top 3 finishers. We'll figure it out as we go along. What you want to do is email me your name and the date that you think I'll first mow the grass. I'm going to wait as long as possible. Give you plenty of time to give you some range of dates here coming up to pick from. The deadline to enter is this Wednesday. See, today is what? What's the date today, Daniel?
Sunday?
What? 5th. Okay, 5th.
But it's Sunday.
5th. Okay, 6th. Okay, it's Wednesday, April 8th at midnight. That's the deadline. This Wednesday, April 8th. Send in your entry. There's information below this video. And, hey, see if you win. See if you'll be the big winner. Is the grass long enough to mow today, Danielle?
In some spots.
Mrs. B Squared says yes, but no. We're going to wait as long as possible. I'm going to come up with every reason under the sun not to do it. We're going to keep pushing it back. We'll see who wins. Thanks for stopping by. Let me get this mower cleaned up.
Are you done?
Yeah.